Where'd the red guy go?
There.
There? Okay. And what color are you?
I'm the red.
You're the red, and what color is she?
She's red.
No.
And I'm on red.
Oh, you're on red.
So, it's her turn to get a card.
Okay. I think she picked one.
One purple.
Okay.
So she gets to. I need that. Oh, she's on. She's messing on my straw. She's going bye-bye.
It's hard to play with a baby, isn't it, Sedona?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Taking all your stuff.
Yeah, and taking off her clothes. Are you moving your now the green guy, Maven?
I'm going to win if you don't.
Yeah.
If you don't play on. Special card.
You got a special card?
Yeah.
Way to go. Where do you get to go?
I'm going to go to the best.
The special place? Yeah, you're going to win if Maven doesn't play right?
I'm going to go to Candyland.
Yay!
Yay for Sedona. Yeah.